Thank you.
So you just pulled out.
Hey bro, how'd you get here?
I drove my car to Bart and then
Bro,
I came here.
You can't be saying
and
Bart.
I caught Matt Olson on the why can't I say the Bart word?
Because that's all what you always say.
I caught a Matt Olson on the fly and then one on the ricochet and then I got one tossed up.
Nice. And so one of those are for me.
By Jimmy Yacoboni.
Okay, I'm gonna say that's a no. Yeah. Alright guys, so today this man is gonna react to all the autographs that I got today. Because, are you ready? So,
ready.
First one, we have Matt Chapman, Gold Glove inscription.
Oh, this is today?
That's the first one I got today.
I hate you.
Already?
Wait, are you serious? How'd you get that? I got a goddamn banner and you won't even sign that.
We're gonna see it in the clip now.
Thank you very much.
I'm putting 2018 Gold Glove, please. Thank you so much. But then, we're gonna take this one back, right? This man's gonna hate me after this one.
I already know what it is.
The Ramon picture.
Oh man,
The
come
Ramon.
on.
Right?
Oh, look at him. It's
Right?
beautiful.
This is actually Paco's. This is for you, Pac.
Thank you, sir.
Camera. Also,
Yeah, thanks, Pac.
Sorry.
Makes me feel better.
Ron autograph. It's a Tops Now card from when he saved Mike Fiers' no-hitter, which is that card.
He hates
Shout
you.
out to Robert for giving me both these cards.
But who did he throw the ball to?
Alright.
So
Give him the props.
I have the ball. Thank you.
He was talking about this the other day on Twitter.
Oh, you got the
Mr.
goat.
Wong.
This is the GOAT of all signatures.
Wong.
Wow, that is. Oh, it's a beaut.
And then the last one we have is bat flipping season, bro. It's Mark King.
That's solid.
I
Wow.
was hoping he flipped something.
It's the GOAT of autographs right here.
I don't know about that.
GOAT of. Should be called Gamer Autographs.
No. Maybe should I just change my second Instagram handle
You
instead
should.
of Gabe's_graphs?
It's already
Gamer
done. I think it's
Graphs?
already changed.
All right. Well, I guess we're gonna change it then. But yeah, those are all the autographs I got today, guys. Check out this lineup.
Batting center fielder, number 9, Keon Roxton.
Nice. Next player.
And batting 8, third baseman, number 14, Rio Ruiz.
Boy.
Here they come, your 2019 Oakland Athletics.
Would you look at that? After getting his autograph today, Bo Taylor, it's a homer. Let's go, boys. That's a double for Olsen. Let's go, boys. We cooking. Frying up these birds. Come on, Ramon. Make Brian proud. He's cheering for you. Oh! Oh! Let's go, Ramon! Brian, that's for you! He tried to hit it for you, Brian. Brian, let's go. Ramon, it's a 3-run home run. Let's go, boys. Stomper, what did you do at homie? Well, I guess it is summer. He can have fun in the sun. I blame the Coliseum for posting the video of Wicked Witch of the Coliseum because this guy just hit a home run and now it's 4-1 now. I hate you, Wicked Witch of the Coliseum, with a passion. Paco and I come back from getting water and going to the bathroom, and Robbie Grossman hits a 2-run. You were there. I wasn't blaming it on you. Anyways, guys, so Paco and I go to the bathroom and get water, and we come back. Robbie Grossman hits a 2-run shot, and now the A's lead 6-2 in the bottom of the 6th inning. Boom, and they're switching their pitcher, so he's telling him to go. That's a triple for Simeon. Taylor scores. The A's now lead 7-2. Lago, yeah.
Now batting first baseman, number 28.
Wow. Wow. They're really that bad, huh? Same guy from yesterday from the Baltimore Orioles. Anthony is public enemy number 1. Tackle that guy. Tackle that guy. Yeah. You got him. You got him, fam. You got him, fam. Former Oakland Athletic Dan Straley, also the same player who tossed up a ball up to Justin yesterday, is now pitching in today's game because of how sucky the Orioles are. Uh-oh. Oppo Taco! Chris Davis does it again. Hits a home run to the opposite field. Salute him, Chris. Salute him. Wow. They are really just going off on the Orioles right now.
Now batting center fielder.
Guys, look at the score. They have scored 7 runs in the inning, and it's 11-2. When will the madness stop? I feel bad for the Orioles. Just kidding. My God, are you serious? Piscotty hits a home run. What? This man has predicted 2 home runs in the past couple minutes. Piscotty hits a home run. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Have mercy on the Orioles, please. Oh, Jesus Christ. Bruh, what is going on?
We're the best team in the whole wide world.
Chewy says otherwise. Woo! Another one. Another one. Oh! It's going down. I'm yelling, Pinder! Yeah, Pinder, it's a home run. Let's go. Pitched hit for Chapman. Ramon is up, and all he needs is a triple to complete the cycle. He has a home run, a double, and 2 singles. Can he hit a triple? Hopefully he can do it, and Brian will be happy. Come on, Ramon. Ah, he struck out. Wow. I signed me a card today. It's Mark Canha. Bat flipping season. 2 outs, Canha. He knows. He knows. Let's go, boys. And the Oakland Athletics beat the Baltimore Orioles 16-2. Unbelievable. Wow. Paco, this was cool, but it will never be as cool as watching us beat the Angels 21-3. We were there for that. The boys definitely deserved this one tonight. Celebrating in his swim trunks. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to end the video. The A's beat and destroy the Baltimore Orioles 16-2, and it was crazy. Got a lot of autographs today, and yeah, my next game will be on Thursday against the Tampa Bay Rays, and it should be a good one. Hopefully the A's can pull out a couple W's out of that series. I will be there for Thursday, maybe Friday, for surely Saturday, and we'll be there on Sunday. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, guys. Don't forget, guys, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out, y'all.